Hey YouTubers, English learners, here we go with another video. Today we're talking about this, that, these, those. This might be a little bit difficult if you haven't watched our video on singular and plural nouns, so go back and check that out. If you don't get updates, right down there, subscribe. Okay, so pretty simple. We're going to be talking about this, and that, and we're talking about one, all right? So I can say this ball, right? I can say this ball, or this pen is purple, all right? This ball. It's close to me, all right? If I'm looking far away, I can say that ball or that pen, okay? Quite simple, right? I can say that pen is purple. This pen is black, all right? That clock, that car, something that is far away, all right? It's probably not so difficult, so I'm going to move on. When we talk about plural nouns, okay, so here we have 3 balls, or I can say, 2 pens. I can say these pens, right? Or I can say these balls and those balls, or, again, these pens and those pens, all right? Now, these are common, maybe if we're shopping and I want to ask somebody in the shop, how much, right? How much is that, right? Maybe I'm looking at something across the counter and I say, how much is that? Or if it's more than one thing, how much are those? Or if we talk about eyeglasses, right? These are always these and those. If I'm shopping for glasses, for example, I can say, how much are those glasses? How much are these glasses? All right. So that's pretty much it for this video. It's kind of simple, but just remember we use is with this and that, and we use are with these and those, right? These are pens. This is a pen. All right. Now this is a video, and you're going to like it, and you're going to subscribe to it. So see you next time. Have a good one.